Getting long and beautiful hair is the dream of many women. Is not it right? We already have some natural recipes to help you with that. Today's recipe is a mask for cinnamon and coconut oil. Have you heard about this mixture before? You need to try this hair mask if you want your hair to grow faster and stronger. Coconut oil moisturizes dry hair and makes it shine and soft. Not to mention, it avoids breakage and split ends. On the other hand, cinnamon is a powerful ingredient that not only stimulates blood circulation, but also contributes to hair growth and strength. Take the following ingredients: 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 0.1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Mix all ingredients in a bowl until they are uniform and consistent. Apply the mask to your roots and massage your scalp, leave it on for 45 minutes, then rinse it off. Repeat this method at least once a week, try it and share your opinions with us in the comments.